Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee. Xiaomi have finally started rolling out Feb security patch for their Android One devices. I received it yesterday on my Mi A2 and the size of the update was 315 MB. I received the OTA update without using any VPN services. Installation of this update will hardly take 3 to 4 minutes. I have already updated my device, so let me show you the software information by going to settings, about section. Here you can see Android version is Android 9, security patch is 5th Feb 2019 and the build version is version 10.0.4. As usual, Xiaomi haven't mentioned any kind of change logs other than the Feb security patch. There were lots of issues with the battery backup on Jan security patch. I normally used to get 3 to 3.5 hours of screen on time. But I think there are improvements done related to battery. After the update, I got 4 hours and 20 minutes of screen on time. I haven't noticed any kind of major changes. Camera seems to be working fine. We can still record videos in 1080p with 30 frames per second. Adaptive brightness works fine, no issues with the adaptive brightness too. Users were complaining about the dark theme not working, and even I have faced some issues with the dark theme. As you can see, I have selected dark theme and that does not work here. Camera to API is still not enabled, but I'll soon be getting a video on how to install Gcam on Mi A2 without rooting your device. Nothing new have been added with this latest update. Few bug fixes and improvements have been done, but I still have the dark mode bug available on the device. Now taking a look at the benchmark results, single core have scored 827 wherein multi-core have scored 2488. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 1,17,848. So guys, this was all about the Feb security patch for Mi A2. If you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.